Hello, this is Austin with DS Diving. I'm at the boat High Life. It is July 11, 2023. This is your after video. You have a bend in your port side prop, kind of wavy, one of your blades. We're going to cruise this water line. I'm going to show you the water line, and then that's going to be the first thing I point out under there. Your rudder zincs are pretty much, one's not on, the other one's pretty much non-existent. So I'll put that in the diver's notes. Alright, let's have a look at it. Let's cruise this water line so we can swim over to that side of the prop. Water line's looking pretty good, pretty good. Let's go on and let's take a look at it. Alright, she cleaned up pretty good. Once again, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing DS Diving.